Before, I feel like I don't deserve to be beautiful, but after I met Reese, and I was so happy, I gained my confidence in myself.
Choosing what you want to wear is part of your identity. It's part of your self-confidence and self-esteem.
We're in Hong Kong shooting season 4 of DBS Sparks. Over the years, we featured tons of incredible businesses who have been awarded the DBS Foundation Grant across Asia in our episodes. Today we're at Rhys Workshop, and I have to say this hits close to home.
Hello, Kadri.
Hello, Josy.
What I wear has such a huge influence on my confidence and feeling like myself. But for some, clothing can be a daily struggle. Kadri and her mom are changing that.
I'm Josy. I just graduated from my master's degree at Hong Kong U, and I have spinal muscular atrophy, makes me difficult to buy suitable clothing because my joints and muscles are stiff.
I'm Kadri. I started my own business with my mother 6 years ago. We do customized and tailor-made adaptive wear for elderly and disabled, and we engage underprivileged ladies and people with disabilities to work at our studios so that they can have employment opportunities.
This is the pants that I wore in the first time to
Your first piece?
Yeah.
So many memories.
Yes.
So the whole pants can be
open
up through this zipper at the button. This is the belt that we add on so that it can hold on to the wheelchair.
Yeah.
Every time we met our clients, it's like knowing their life stories and how they go through every day. The whole design process from consultations to the final product, it often takes about 2 or 3 months because the clothing need to also fit at their home or even on the washroom.
And then amend it.
And in the bed.
This is my suit for university presentation and also internship. Yes, it opens up at the back so I can look professional.
Yes, definitely.
My grandmother went into nursing home about 8 years ago. The accessory that she used, like the bibs and the urine bag, makes her feel very embarrassed. And she got into a point that she refused to eat dim sum with us.
Yeah.
We look through all the shops. We can't find anything that is good enough for her. Shortly after my grandmother passed away, we think that actually a lot of elderly or disabled person or caregiver are going through the same process that we have gone through.
Yeah.
And we think that we should do something with our professional skill set. This is one of our scarves.
This is beautiful.
We have a water repellent lining at the back.
Nice.
We bought the printing from a disabled artist in Hong Kong. So when the elderly eats, if there is any food drops down, then you can collect all
like
of it.
Yes. Right?
This open pocket is beneath the table, so no one will saw it. So this is an inclusive wear. We encourage people with disabilities or not with disabilities to use also. It's also work as a big. You can try it on. Yeah. We think eating is the most important thing for elderly in Hong Kong with the cultural background. So we think that a good-looking bibs, a scarf that we call, to encourage them to join more family gatherings, even attending wedding, special occasions like the pouch bag to cover up the urine bag.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah. So it looks like a crossbody bag.
Yeah.
They have a snap button there to hold the urine bag
great.
in place.
That's amazing. Working with the DBS Foundation, how is the process? How do they help your company overall?
At first, we are quite struggle with our business directions and social impact, but throughout this process with DBS teams, I think the most important lessons that I've learned is how to work with others, how to work with bank or other partners in the societies to make our social impact bigger together. And their guidance throughout the process make me so much more confident about myself and also my team.
I know that Josy is your favorite client. And what kind of bond have you guys built over the years?
I'm so honored.
It is just a garment, but we enable her to go to Macau.
It was my first time to get out of Hong Kong.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you have fun in Macau?
Of course.
Yeah.
They really changed my life because I can see myself differently and I can be more confident and it opens up my horizon to explore the world.